You saw what Mate Rimac said about 3D printing the parts?
I saw Mate Rimac's reply, and you know what? I'm gonna go on a rant right now. Mate Rimac, this is the message to you. Don't take this personal. This is simply my response to your safety argument directly. I got into an accident with this vehicle, with my camera guy, and thanks to the safety precautions that were manufactured into this vehicle, it kept us safe, and we're here to tell a story because of that. So I agree with you. Safety is the importance and the backbone of this build. Now, my problem with your response as to why you can't sell us parts because it's a safety precaution, I just believe it's inaccurate and not true. I just believe you're trying to control the situation. So you're actually putting us at more risk by not selling us parts. You told me two things on the phone. You told me the first thing was that you're trying to figure out how you can get us parts to this vehicle, or two, that you were to get a technician out here to walk through with us how this car is going to properly get built, do it to the Bugatti standard. Can you give me your word on those two things? Not sure what happened. 24 hours later, both those things kind of went out the window. They could have labeled this car as no longer safe and it cannot be back on the road. But your Bugatti technician did not do that. They labeled this car as salvage. This car is repairable. So I personally disagree with your statement. This build will continue one way or another. I'm gonna get my guy Juan in Hialeah to just figure this shit out alongside with Matt Armstrong, and we will get this bitch back on the road.